As citizens and Indians, we are citizens of the world's largest democracy, which our country is. The Constitution gives us a multitude of rights as citizens, but it also expects that each of us performs the duty which is cast upon us. And one of the foremost duties of citizenship is to cast our vote. In a constitutional democracy, the government is a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. And we call it that because of the fact that each of us has a participatory role in electing the government. When I was young and I crossed the age of eligibility to vote, I remember the excitement in my heart that for the first time I would be queuing up at the polling booth and exercising my franchise. Getting that dot on the finger when I voted aroused tremendous feelings of patriotism and association with the nation and me. Sometimes when you have an ink mark on your hand, you're wondering when that ink mark will go away. But this is one ink mark which I never wanted to go away, because I felt that I was a proud demonstrator of the fact that as an Indian citizen, having crossed the age of eligibility, I could exercise my vote, and I had in fact exercised my vote. So the day of election has always aroused wonderful feelings. The feeling that though I may be one in this big line of people who have come to vote, each of us counts as the same citizen with the same value. So our constitution and our law provides for one citizen, one vote, and one value. I think that's the great tenacity and the power of our nation as a constitutional democracy. When I became a lawyer and I had to run around in search of work in different places, both in Mumbai and outside, I was always worried that I should not be missing that one important day when I have to cast my vote. And I never missed that duty and obligation which is cast on me as an Indian citizen. So likewise, I would request every one of you, please do not miss this opportunity to vote responsibly as citizens of our great motherland. 5 minutes every 5 years for our nation. It's doable, isn't it? Let's vote with pride. My vote, my voice.